Hi there, this is Dr. Sophie Diepenheim with Breathe Deep Dental. I'm here to show you a few videos and how-tos on Vivos appliances today, so stay tuned for some great tips and tricks.
So this is a demonstration of how to turn an upper device. There's two portions that you want to pay attention to. The first is these two side pieces. They're going to expand outwards as you turn these down arrows down. So you find the hole with your key, stick it in, and then a full turn is going to be you push it all the way until it stops, and you'll see a new hole appear. If you need to do a half or a quarter turn, you can do the math. If it feels like too much, you can always turn it backwards. The second portion is this front piece. It's going to expand forwards as you follow that yellow arrow that direction. You're going to look for the hole, put your key in. Sometimes your arch is quite shapely, so you have a key that's bent for it to get into that correct angle. And then you need to twist it as you turn it to get a full turn. And you'll see the new hole appear on the other side. And that's that.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from that video. Have a great day.